First, I will explain our project timeline using this Gantt chart. This chart shows the schedule of our project activities from week 1 until week 10. Each color represents when a specific task is carried out. In week 1, we start by forming the group. After that, in week 2, we select the group leader and choose the company for our project. From week 3 to week 5, we focus on company research. During this stage, we collect information and understand the company background in detail. Next, task allocation is done between week 5 and week 6 to ensure that every group member has clear responsibilities. Interviews are conducted in week 6 and week 7 to gather important data. Week 7 to week 9, we work on input analysis and consultation. This helps us evaluate the information collected and receive guidance for improvement. Drafting the report takes place between week 8 and week 9. Then, in week 9, we conduct the final review to make sure the report meets all requirements. Finally, the project is complete with the submission in week 10. In conclusion, this Gantt chart helps us manage our time efficiently and ensure that all tasks are complete according to the planned schedule. For the selection of our group leader, Liana was chosen through group discussion and a majority vote. She encouraged open communication by welcoming ideas and opinions from all group members, and she actively listened to suggestions, which helped create a comfortable and supportive group environment. Liana also provides clear guidance by explaining information accurately and clearly to ensure everyone understands the task given. In addition, she understands the project objective well and guides the group to ensure all tasks align with the project requirement. Her company knowledge and experience further help the group understand the company background, operation and key issues.
So next, for the task dissemination, we have divided by assigned roles, information gathering, and strategic planning. For the assigned roles, we have divided the task according to each person's skills, meaning some are assigned to interview, ask questions, record the interview, and record all important information. Next, for the point information gathering, after we conducted the interview session, we gathered to discuss the company's background, the problem faced, the solution to address those problems, and other informations. Lastly, for the strategic planning, we conduct an interview and complete our report within an appropriate time frame so that we can submit our report on time. Okay, next, for the task dissemination that we have divided fairly by each member. For assigned roles, Noliana has to find and contact the company's HR manager. For me, I have to prepare and interview questions. Next, for Sofia Najiha, she has to record all the information that we get in the interview. Lastly, for Khadija Umaira, she has to conduct preliminary research regarding HR roles at the company. Next, for information gathering, Noliana, she has to collect the issues faced by HR management. For me, Ain Anisha, I have to do a research related to the company's background. Next, Sofia Najiha, she has to collect information for solution that HR management implements. Lastly, Khadija Umaira has to collect information related to the impact faced by HR management. Lastly, for the strategic planning, Noliana has to create a networking with HR manager. Next, for me, I have to conduct a task allocation for each member. For Sofia Najiha, she has to set a deadline for each task so our report can be done on time. And lastly, for Khadija Umaira, she has to collect additional information as a reference for our report.
Next, in this slide, there are several issues and problems that we face during our project. So the first issue faced by our group is about the company location, which is quite far from our university. It is difficult for us to come visit the company. This is because of the time constraints and higher transportation costs. The second issue is about the large size of the company. It is challenging for us to get the detailed and specific information from the HR manager because of the some data cannot easily accessible. Next, because of the distant location of the company, we had to conduct our interview using a hybrid method. Only the group leader is attend to the interview face-to-face, while the other group members are joined through the online meeting, which is using Google Meet. This is likely cause a limited direct interaction between us during the session. Lastly, the interview was conducted at a cafe, which is not a very strategic location. The noise from the background surrounding is quite disturbing. We also cannot hear the given information during the interview session clearly.
Next is solution. The first solution is select the company that have near your universities. Selecting a company that is located close to the university makes it easier to conduct interview with the company HR departments. A nearby located not only simplify appointment schedule and site visit, but also help to save the time and travel costs. This provides advantage in terms of efficiency and flexibility, and also have ensure on and help ensure that the interview session can be carried out smoothly without logistically constraint. Next is the selection of small-scale companies. The selection of small-scale companies is also more appropriate as it facilitates the process of obtaining detailed information about the company background, operation, and management. A simpler organization structure and close communication relationship enable information to be obtained more quickly, clearly, and accurately, thereby supporting a smooth and more effective research or analysis process. Third solution is conduct the interview full face-to-face. Face-to-face interview are more effective because they allow direct, clear, and two-way communication. Through this interaction, the interviewer can better understand the responses, ask follow-up questions, and build a positive relationship with the company representative, which in turn help to obtain more complete and high quality information. The last solution is select the strategic location to do interview. It is important to choose a strategic location for the interview so that it is easy to reach and convenience to both the interviewer and interviewee. This helps save time, avoid delay, and create a comfortable environment for discuss. It also making the interview process smooth and more effective. Next is contribution. First is leadership. I was responsible for coordinating with the interview to schedule the interview alongside my teammate. Next is teamwork. We collaborate close to complete and the project report and ensure personal growth. This project has significantly enhanced my confidence in communicating effectively. Next, for me, I know Anisha, my contribution in this project is based on leadership skills. I've improved problem-solving skills because there were problems that arose while we were conducting the study. Next, this project has taught me to divide work fairly so that all work can be completed without any misunderstandings. Next, for the teamwork point, I've learned to listen to all the ideas and suggestions of my group members because we all have different suggestions and opinions. Next, I have give full commitment in completing the report so that we can submit it on time. Lastly, for the personal growth, I've improved my communication skills since I have to interview experienced people like HR manager in Proton. Lastly, I've enhanced my management abilities through individual responsibilities and group assignments.
For my contribution to this project, I apply fair decision making through group discussion and majority agreement. I also handle minor conflict by listening to different perspectives from my teammates. Through the project, I collaborate effectively with team members to complete tasks and respect diverse opinions while working towards a common goal. Through the experience, I gain value skills that will be useful for my future academic and professional work. And I also develop better time management and a stronger sense of responsibility.
During this assignment, I have learned some of leadership skills. I learned how to make decisions for the group when it is needed. Next, I help in motivating my group members to complete our tasks on time. Other than that, when there are problems happen, we also discuss together and find solutions. This group project experience has taught me on how to be more responsible as a group member in a project. From this group project, I also learned the importance of teamwork. As a teammate, we need to communicate well in sharing ideas and updates. We have to work together by dividing tasks fairly. Furthermore, we have each other's back when some of us facing difficulties. We also respect different opinions from each of group members. Therefore, working with positive teammates have made their tasks more enjoyable. Moreover, this group assignment has helped me grow personally. I became more confident when speaking and sharing ideas. I also improved my leadership skills, teamwork skills, and also personal growth. I learned how to manage my time better and take responsibility for my work. Overall, this project has given me a valuable experience for the future. Thank you. During this assignment, I have learned some of leadership skills. I learned how to make decisions for the group when it is needed.